Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I'm reviewing the NAS100 Scalping EA for MT4 and MT5. Although in this video, I'll be discussing the MT4 version. We can see this is the MT5 version here. All right, so we'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, look at the features and recommendations provided by the developer, and then review the historical backtest results to better understand how the EA has performed during testing. Okay, so starting with the Marketplace page, NAS100 Scalping EA is currently listed at 100 US dollars. The developer is Mustafa Bolos, and the version shown here is version 2.0, updated in May 2023. The marketplace page also provides a separate MT5 version, which, as we can see here, is currently at version 1.0, same $100, 15 activations. Okay, but we are going to be focusing on the MT4 version, okay, just for ease. Okay, according to the description, the EA is designed specifically for trading the NAS100 index, and it focuses on short-term price movements. The developer explains that the system is built around momentum associated with the New York Stock Exchange Open and is intended to identify high probability trading opportunities while executing trades quickly. Now, as I continue through the features section, one thing that is clearly highlighted is that the EA is specialized exclusively for NAS100 trading. It also operates only on the 1 minute time frame, which is an important consideration when setting up charts and conducting testing. The developer states that the EA includes advanced trade management features and follows a predefined risk approach by risking 1% per trade. Another notable characteristic is that the system limits itself to a maximum of 2 trades per day, which may appeal to traders looking for a more selective trading approach rather than frequent market exposure. Trade management rules are also outlined in the description. According to the developer, the EA reduces stop loss exposure when a position reaches certain profit thresholds, moves positions to break even at a defined profit level, and continues adjusting stop loss placement as profits increase. These are all automated processes designed to manage open positions according to the rules built into the system. Looking at the recommendations section, the developer suggests using brokers with low spreads and mentions leverage requirements starting from 1:100, with 1:500 being recommended. The minimum suggested deposit is $500, while a $1,000 account is recommended. The marketplace page also notes that a VPS can be used for continuous operation, although it is listed as optional. Now, moving into the historical backtest section, the developer recommends using the every tick based on real ticks testing model, which is generally preferred when evaluating automated trading systems because it provides a more detailed historical simulation. Let us start by looking at the provided information here. Okay, these are basically just showing us trade history, right? And then here, this seems to be the EA in action. Okay, so we are just going to be heading over to our strategy tester right away. Let's see how the NAS100 EA performed on US 100, which is also NAS100. So we'll see how it performed on NAS100 on the H1 time frame, using the every tick model. And we are testing over the past 3 months from 19th March to 19th June 2026. All right, so looking at the reports, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative 2,548.16. The total trades taken was just one losing trade that deducted the balance by 25%. Okay, so let's go turn on the visuals. Let's see this EA in action. All right. So as I review the chart history and testing data, we can observe how the EA managed trades according to its documented trade management rules. Since the strategy is designed around NAS100 momentum during a specific market section or session, the historical activity helps illustrate how the system responded to opportunities identified during the tested periods. But I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and varying volatility environments. When evaluating the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that historical backtest results do not guarantee future outcomes. Actual performance can vary depending on risk settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, account size, leverage, and user optimization. Overall, the NAS100 Scalping EA for MT4 and MT5 is presented as a specialized automated solution focused exclusively on NAS100 trading, with defined risk parameters, structured trade management rules, and clear setup recommendations from the developer. It provides a framework that traders can evaluate further through their own testing before considering live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.